planted charges all around the perimeter of the camp. You two just need to arm them. The first one should be right ahead of you.
Here it is.
I also left the detonator for you.
Uh-huh. There we are.
All right. First one set. Don't touch the button.
This one?
Once you've set all the charges, just hit the detonator and it's showtime.
They'll never know what hit him.
Just be careful. Lazarevich has got his men posted all around the perimeter.
Keep an eye out for patrols. I'm sweating like a hooker in church.
You brought a hooker to church?
Why not?
How much longer do we have to stay in this stinking swamp?
Hey,
Lazarevich
careful.
finds what he's
Up
looking
ahead.
Don't let him spot you.
I said quiet, Nate. That's the other end of loud.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Take them down!
Ah! Looks like we can swing across there.
Maybe you can.
All right, hold on, Grandpa. See if I can find another way up. Heads up!
Ah, perfect. Thanks, kid.
This way.
Nate, you should be approaching excavation site 1 by now.
It should have been back by now. Shit, we've been spotted.
Take them out fast. We can't let them send word back to camp.
Get it! We'll see about that.
should be getting close to the first camp. I've planted 4 more charges in there, but you're going to have to clear the place out before you can arm them.
There's nothing out here. When will he give up?
Zarevich, give up? Remember
Here's the
who we're
camp.
talking about.
You ready for this?
We've
Let's
scoured
do it.
all the wrecks. What else does he expect to find? Don't let Lazarevich hear you talking like that.
Get your hands up!
There we go.
Get your hands up! Incoming!
We still gotta arm 3 of the charges. There should be only 2 left. Come on, kid, quit screwing around. We haven't armed all the charges yet. All right, one more, and we're out of here. Okay, that's all of them. Now, let's go pay Mr. Lazarevich a visit.
Can't reach us. Come on over here, I'll give you a boost.
All right.
Come on, gorgeous, jump up.
Yeah, yeah.
You got a great ass, Sully.
Thanks. Here you go, kid.
All right.
Ooh, that must have been some tsunami to wash these ships so far inland.
Get down.
Shit, the pump is down again. The damn thing is always breaking down. Come on, let's just fix it so we can get out of here.
Look, they're not armed.
Not that many. What are we waiting for? We can take these guys.
I don't know, Sully. Maybe... Could have used some help down here.
Yeah, you were doing fine. Here's another one for you.
Sully! That was easy.
Enough of this frivolity, kid. Come on, we got work to do.
What does frivolity mean?
What do you bet we follow the hose? We find the camp.
You always follow the hose. Just like in Montreal, huh?
You're never gonna forget that, are you?